Everyone. Today we are going to cover limit of piecewise function. And today is May 20, so we covered before limit of trigonometric function. And today we are going to cover the limit of piecewise function. So if we want to find the limit of any piecewise function, we have to find the limit from left and right. Okay? So for example, if you look to this question, this is your function when x less than pi. Okay, when x less than pi. If you look here, this is x less than pi. Yes. So this part represent, or this sine x, f of x equals sine x represent from left, represent limit from left because x is less than pi. If you look to the second part you have here, okay, this is the second part. Here x is greater than what? Pi. So this is from right. So if you want to find the limit of the function f of x when x approach pi, so you have to find from left and right. So you have to find the limit when x approach pi from left, and this one it will be sine x because it's x less than here. Yes, less than pi, sorry, it's here. So now plug in, yes, plug in pi. So sine 180, so to sine 180 or pi equals 0. Okay, if you want to find now the limit of the function from right, yes, we are going to use the second part because here x is greater than pi, because from right. So we have to use this function x over pi minus 1. So what are we going to do is x over pi, which plug in pi, so it's pi over pi minus 1. So it's equal 1 minus 1 is what? 0. So your limit here from left and right are equal. So the limit of function here must equal what? 0, because both are equal from left and right. Let's make a discussion about the next question. We are looking for the limit of the function h of x when h is what? Approach what? 3 from left side, because 3 power negative here sign. If you look to this negative, so it means from left. It means we are looking for when x less than 3. Which function represent? Which part of the function represent the value of h of x when x less than 3? Which part exactly we are going to use here? Or the first one or the second one? The first one is x less than 3. Yes, it means from left. If it x greater than 3, it means from right. So we are going to use the first one because he is looking only for the limit when x approach 3 from the negative side. It means when x less than 3, okay? Because 3 and from here, approach from here, it means from the number less than 3, and from right, it means from the number is greater than 3. Now, just plug in x squared, so it's equal, okay, limit when h, okay, I'm going to write it, x approach negative 3, sorry, from negative side for x squared minus 1, so it's equal, plug in negative 3, so 3 squared minus 1 equal 9 minus 1 is 8. What if I'm looking for a limit of h of x when x approach 3 positive? Yes, we are going to use the second function, plug in 3 for the second, so it's 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So is the limit exist? No, because from left is 8, from right is 7, so it means there is jump in this function. It's not continuous, okay? Let's try the next one. We are looking for the limit of h of x when x approach negative 3, okay? For x approaching negative 3. So which part is below contain negative 3? Yes, which function? Yes, this part, this function. So we have what? Linear function. And it's continuous at when x is less than -2. So it means your graph should be, for example, if x is -2, imagine the graph look like this. This is linear function and it's continuous, yes? So if you are looking for the limit when x approach -3, it will be here. So it will have the same value. So just plug in, okay, because it's continuous. So if you want to find the limit here, just plug in. If you plug in -2, so it's 2 times -2 is 4 plus 1. Yes, -3, -4 plus 1 is what? Is -3. So the limit of the function when x approaches -3 is equal to -3. Okay, does it make sense? Okay. Uh, so do we have any more question we can cover? Yes, we have one more. So if you look to this function, we are looking for the limit of g of x when x approach 2. Which part belonged out? We have 2 in both, so we have to look from left and right. This represents the limit of the function. Yes, less than 2 from left. This is greater than, so from right. So if you want to find the limit when x approaching -2, just plug in. This is the limit from negative and here from positive side. If you plug in 0, sorry, 2, so you have to find len 2. Okay, natural log of 2. If you want to find the second, so plug in 2, so it's 4. Natural log of what? 2. Are they equal? If you use a calculator or something, so are they equal? No. So the limit is what? Doesn't exist. Okay, does it make sense? Because both not equal, so the limit doesn't exist. You can use a calculator to find the value exactly. But for now, we learn how to find the limit of any piecewise function. Okay? Have a great day and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.